Here are a few tracking tips for your multi-tool. Multi-tool can be simply tracked by moving the lever up or down, which moves the belt to the right or to the left. If additional tracking adjustments are required, just simply remove the belt, loosen slightly the two bolts that hold the tensioner assembly to the main bracket. After you've done this, you can then replace the belt. Once you've replaced the belt, simply start the tool and tap it either in the top left-hand or right-hand corner to move the belt to the right or the left. Once you've done that, simply remove the belt and retighten the two bolts holding the tensioner assembly to the main bracket. At this point, your multi-tool will be tracked perfectly.